So I'm back again. This is my third visit now to Master Kim. Again, it's been an incredible experience. As I said in the very beginning, I was very uncertain if this type of treatment was super effective, and I've certainly been proven it is. The first day I came in, I had knee braces on. I left with them off. I had no pain. I had a pain in my thumb and in my elbow. Again, right now I experience nothing. I've just had another session with Master Kim. Absolutely superb. I mean, I'm walking out of here absolutely pain-free. This really is an incredible experience. I would recommend this to anyone that's in any type of pain or discomfort whatsoever with their bodies. Another thing is my blood pressure's come down significantly. And I'm off of my medications, which I took cholesterol and blood pressure medicine. I'm off of those, and yet everything is still ticking along perfectly. So I'm a very, very happy person right now, and I will continue to take the treatment.